It's Monday afternoon. Still haven't got my square stock because UPS still hasn't wanted to deliver it and can't go pick it up. So FedEx did bring my flat bar though, and what I'm going to do, as you can see, this stuff's starting to kind of flash rust, and that's why I prime that stuff like in other videos. I'm going to cut a piece of flat bar here. I'm just going to come in here and just windowsill, just lay this flat bar in here. Like this piece right here is already cut. I'm going to lay this in here, just weld it along. I'm going to drop a little fast forward video. This is a little heavier stuff. This is, 1/8 inch. So I'm going to get this ground down in here. I've done dollied it down some with a body hammer. I'm going to lay that in there and get that welded in. So follow along. So basically I just plated that to the quarter panel. There's a couple of places it was a little far away, but it's spotted. I'd be more than strong enough. Once that's body worked, it'll look a lot better. Not the best welds by any means, but they're strong and they're well penetrated, and that's what matters. Just gotta go all the way around. Anywhere there's a gap where we got our structure, we're going to plate with that thick plate. So hope you enjoyed this video, and sorry it's a little shorter tonight, but we gotta make some kind of progress. If you don't care, just hit that subscribe button and I'll keep them coming. Thank you.